In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of your Facebook account from other devices. This can be really useful if you've logged in on a shared computer or a friend's phone and forgotten to log out. It's also a great way to ensure your account's safety if you suspect someone else might have access to it. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. You can do this on a computer or via a mobile device. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a drop-down menu, presenting you with several options. From the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Click on it, and you'll notice it expands into more detailed choices. Within these new options, you'll find Settings. Click on Settings to proceed to the next step. Now you should be in the Settings area of your Facebook account. Here, locate and click on Account Center. This is an essential hub for managing your account across Facebook and its associated apps. Once in the Account Center, you'll see a list of categories that help manage different aspects of your account. Next, click on Password and Security. This section is dedicated to keeping your account safe and secure. It's where you'll manage everything related to your login details and security settings. In this area, look for the option that says where you're logged in. Click on it, and you'll be able to see a list of all the devices where your Facebook account is currently active. Here's where you can take control. In the Where You're Logged In section, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the devices along with the locations where your account is logged in. Take a moment to review this list carefully. If there's any device or location that you don't recognize or you simply want to log out from, you can do so right here. To log out from a particular device, simply find it on the list and click on the three dots or the Logout button next to it. Once you've done this, you'll be logged out of Facebook on that device. You can repeat this for any other devices you wish to log out from. And there you have it. You've successfully logged out of your Facebook account from other devices. This is a simple yet effective way to keep your account secure and ensure that only you have access to it. Remember to periodically check this section to maintain your account's security. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.